Hello everyone! Today on bestProducts, we will be examining the Emotn C1 projector. With this projector's ability to handle 1080p and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you will be able to enjoy a great Ultra HD image. This is definitely a great choice for those of you who are looking for a projector that could be quite useful in many ways. So let's start the unboxing process. The projector comes in this box, and inside this box you get a power adapter, a user manual, a remote control, a RCA adapter, a HDMI cable, and the projector itself. With a weight of 1.6 kilograms, this projector is a 1080p projector that produces 8,500 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough for any type of video or movie you want to watch. The projector is super easy to use and it's easy to install. When you turn it on, you will see all the menu options on the projector screen. You can select the aspect ratio, and you can also change the contrast and the color. The projector also supports iOS and Android mirroring. This projector has a couple of different ports which is useful for connecting to any device. A VGA port, which you can use to connect your old VGA monitor. Two USB port, one for connecting your USB drive to play movies, and the other for charging your phone. An HDMI port for connecting your HD TV or any device that is an HDMI port, an AV port, a headset jack, and a micro SD slot. You'll find the power connection and speaker on the other side. On its bottom, it has a kickstand, so when it is on a table you can tilt it up a little, as well as a spot to mount your tripod. In the lower left corner, you can see that there is a gold touch button, so you can control it without requiring a remote control. In the middle is a green soft slot for your phone or tablet. On the other side you see the focus and the keystone, and on this side is the name of the company Emotn. There's another nice feature of this projector. It has dual 5-watt audio speakers built into it, so even if you have a Blu-ray player that doesn't have speakers, you'll still be able to enjoy the 5-watt sound with these speakers. Let's hear how this projector sounds.
I'm in 15, let's go! You're killing me!
Joe, need another one?
I did, an hour ago.
Oh man, I could really use this.
Yeah, well, life is about time. Yeah, yours is for shit.
You got another load coming in 15. Truck's pretty full.
I'm only giving you a half day.
I missed an hour.
Take it or leave it, I'm good either way.
As I adjust the light of my room a little bit, you will see the true colors and brightness of the projector. I'm going to lower the light a little bit more so you can see the image quality. It's really impressive. This projector is really awesome. It has a great picture quality and clear sound. It also has a 50,000 hours battery life, so you can use it for a longer period of time. Generally, I'm so happy with this projector. It is very easy to use, and it is very cheap. So there is no reason not to buy this projector. Hope you enjoyed the review, and thank you for watching.